With a lighting plan in place and your tools laid out in front of you, you're ready to get things in motion. Here's a step-by-step guide to installing stair and step lighting on your deck. Step lighting is available in a ton of shapes and designs. Read the included instructions carefully to know what size bits and tools you will need to match their specific installation design. This overview is for hardwiring your stair and step lighting. If you're using a plug-and-play system, skip the wire stripping and substitute the wire nuts with your coordinating hub or splitter. First, mark the placement of your lights. Be sure to avoid positioning the step lights into stair joists. As a helpful note, builders typically space the lights 3 to 4 feet apart. Second, using the recommended bit size, drill an opening for each stair light into the stair riser or step board. Repeat this for all step lights. Third, loosely run the wire from the transformer to the location of the closest light. Then, run the wire from light to light, leaving a loop of wire at each step light location. Cut any excess wire at the step light areas, leaving enough to make connections. Separate each wire pair into 2 to 3 inch strands. Use wire strippers and remove approximately a ½ inch of sheathing from each wire, including the wires on the fixture. Hold the 2 wires together at the ends even and twist together with a waterproof wire nut. Do not over twist the connection. Repeat for the second set of wires. Wipe away any excess silicone and wrap the connections with electrical tape to prevent movement. Continue to match wire types as you move through your wire setup. Lastly, insert the wire and wire nuts through the recessed hole and place the step lights in position. Turn on the power source and check for any issues or errors. Secure your light in place by pushing in until snug, using included installation screws or a thin line of silicone adhesive. Keep sites clear in high traffic areas with stair and step lighting from DexDirect.com.
Hi, my name's Diane and I'm with the customer experience team here at DexDirect. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. DexDirect, helping people build better decks.